Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone camera focus not working properly on iPhone. So guys, if you are experiencing issues with your iPhone's camera focus not working, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will guide you to how to fix iPhone camera focus not working as expected. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is to clean the lens. Sometimes dirt, fingerprints, or smudges on the lens can cause focusing issues. Use a soft linen cloth to wipe the lens gently. After cleaning the lens, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve various software glitches. You have to open the settings, then scroll down and then tap on General. Again scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to update iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve camera issues. So you have to scroll up and then tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating, then you have to do is close your camera apps. Sometimes forwarding the camera app and reopening it can help. So you have to simply open the camera app and then close it. And then try reopening it again and see if the issue persists or not. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset camera settings on your iPhone. Resetting your iPhone's camera settings can sometimes resolve focusing issue. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Sorry, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset All Settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone camera focusing not working as expected. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.